Hello everyone, this is Memory Part 3 by Your Knowledge. In the last video, we have learned about the stage model of memory, or the memory stage model, in which we have learned about the three distinct stages of the memories: the sensory memory, the short-term memory, and the long-term memory, in terms of capacity, duration, and function. Now, in this, the part 3, we will be studying and we will be learning about one of that stage in great detail, and that is going to be the sensory memory. And I've used a short caption for the sensory memory. Like, if I have to define the sensory memory in one line, and this is going to be fleeting impressions of reality. This line is enough to define the sensory memory. So in this video, you will learn about sensory memory in great detail. Then in part 4, you will learn about the short-term memory in great detail. And in part 5, you will learn about long-term memory in great detail. So let's start with the short-term, the sensory memory. So function of sensory memory against the fleeting impressions of reality. So this is the first stage of memory called sensory memory, and it holds sensory information from environment for a few seconds or less. By few seconds or less, I mean like 1/4 of seconds to 3 seconds. And sensory memory stores a detailed record of a sensory experience, but only for a few seconds at the most. So the main function of the sensory memory is that stores sensory memory. It stores detailed record of sensory experience. Like, you store a detailed record of sensory information, or in a nutshell, I will say the environmental information is stored in the sensory memory. If we talk about the duration of the sensory memory, again, I have used a short caption for this as well, in order to define the duration of the sensory memory. So it's like it was there just a split second ago. The stage of memory that registers information from environment and holds it for a very brief period of time, and after a few seconds or less, the information fades. Again, the duration is 1/4 of seconds to 3, and after that, the information fades. If you pay more attention to that information and you give it time more than 3 seconds, then the information is shifted to the short-term memory. Otherwise, the information stays in sensory memory and easily and quickly fades. Talking about the capacity of the short-term memory, so there is a large capacity for the information in the short-term memory. You will never ever receive any pop-up notification in front of your eyes saying that the storage is full and we are shutting down sensory memory, or delete some items from the sensory memory. No, you will never ever receive that information, because there's a large capacity for information in the sensory memory, and such thing happens only in mobile because there's a limited capacity. Okay, duration. During the very brief during the very brief time the information is held in sensory memory, we select or pay attention to just a few aspects of all the environmental information that is being registered. There are types of sensory memory. Again, I've used the caption, pick a sense, any sense. So again, it includes sensory informations, but two main types of sensory memory which you will be learning in this video is the iconic memory and the echoic memory. Iconic memory includes the visual sensory memory because it is brief memory of an image or icon, and the characteristics of visual sensory memory were first identified largely through the research of psychologist George Sperling in 1960. And echoic memory is the auditory sensory memory, meaning brief memory that is like an echo. So the duration of the iconic memory is that iconic memory holds an image from environment to about 1/4 to 1/2 seconds before it is replaced. And echoic memory holds sound information a little longer, up to a few seconds. So this was all about today's video. If your concept is clear, you can like the video. If there was any point that you didn't get it or it was a bit confusing, you can ask us in the comment section and we'll be happy to help you out. Plus, if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon so you will never ever miss a notification. You can also share the link of this channel and the link of our videos with your family members and friends, because sharing is caring. Until then, Allah Hafiz.